This video is sponsored by JJ Drones, the droning veteran, and chillin' in Indiana Carl. Welcome to Off the Hook Outdoors. I'm Ted, your host, and welcome back to another product review video featuring the Plusinno H5 Hanging Rod Rack. Now, in the past, I did the V6 vertical hanging rack. This is a horizontal rack. The V6 was very easy to install. This one is also easy to install. I'm hanging it also in my pavilion. If you haven't checked out my other video, go over and check that out. But I wanted to thank Plusinno for sending me another great product, and I wanted to show you guys how easy it is. So stick around. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so. And if you have subscribed and you do follow me, please share this video out. We really do appreciate that, and I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, so what you're going to need is you're going to need the Plusinno H5 Rod Rack for installation. I'll open this up and show you what's in the pack in a second. You need a pencil for marking. You need a level to make sure that the product is level. You need a measuring tape. And you also need a drill with a Phillips head bit on it. So let's get to opening this up here. And this is probably taped shut, so I need my pencil to open it. So we're going to open that up for you guys. It comes in the pack. There's two pieces. It comes with the screws and anchors. And if you've seen my last video, I didn't need the anchors because I was putting it into wood. And basically, it's just two pieces like this. It is metal, which is really cool. So this is made of metal, and it has a nice protective coating to protect your rods on top of it, like in the where your rods are going to sit. You can also hang this from the ceiling, so you can hang this up in the ceiling so it looks like that, and you can hang it up in the air. But I'm going to put it right here, and I am going to put it horizontal for my horizontal storage here. So stay tuned. So what I did was I measured down 20 inches from the top of this board to my mark that I wanted. So I did that, and then what I did was I took the level, I put the level up here, and I marked over 3 foot. I came across 3 foot. You can put space these in different sizes if you want. I like to keep it fairly short so my rods don't bow. I like to keep it up towards the reel and more of the meat of the rod. So I'm going to mount it 3 foot apart, and this right here, there's sides. You can see this is the coated side, then there's like an inside. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually put this up. I'm going to put it in right now. And what I'm going to do first is I'm going to actually take my screw. Instead of drilling a hole, I'm just going to come across here, and I'm going to install the screw if I can. And I'm going to start it right there, and there we go. So I'm going to start it and send it in, and then take it back out. And then I'm going to take my piece of the rack. I'm going to put it in, and I'm going to put it right in the hole here, and I'm going to anchor it. Okay, so there's one anchored. And what I'm going to do, so I'm going to take the level, I'm going to butt it up against this, and I'm going to make sure this is level. And we're at right there, it's about level. So we're going to take another screw here. Now before I anchor it totally down, I want to make sure this is level, and it is. And we're anchored. Now I'm going to go over to the other one and do the same thing. So right here is, where's my mark at? There's my mark right there. So I start the hole with that. Take my bracket, put my bracket on, put it in there, and make sure this is level on this side. And we are level right there. Let me take this, get the next screw, and set it in here. And we are anchored in, guys. And it's as easy as that. Just take a couple measurements, make a couple marks, and it's up and ready to go. We'll be right back. I'm gonna go get a few rods to put them up here so you can see what they look like. If you look, you can see how they're like, the reels are touching. So what I would do is I would take this spinning reel here, and I would take it off of the rod holder, and I would spin it around, just so the reels aren't like touching and stuff like that. And we would put it on like that and have it like that. So you can also fold your reels in when you're putting them on here. If you want, if you're not going to be using them for a while, you can always fold up your handle and put your rods on that way. But I think I'm going to put all my spinning rods probably like this. I will probably take this out here, and what I'm going to do with these is I'll probably put this spinning rod up top here like this, and then what I'll do is I'll put the other rod like this and put it in so that it doesn't hit, so it's like that, so it sits basically like that. Or yeah, and I think that's what I'll do, like that. Now I don't know if I like them sitting on the outside of this. I would probably keep it on the inside. And I'm just trying to show you scenarios here that you can do and what you don't want to do, or what you may want to do. But I would keep my rod inside of this. This is a longer rod, but that's inside of there. I think that's better to do it that way. And then you just put your other rod like that, and you're good to go. Let me grab the camera here, and that's what it looks like there, guys. So that's 5 rods. So Plusinno, if you're out there, I need about 10 more of these so I can put my whole wall full of rods out here. But once again, I wanted to say thank you to Plusinno. They're a great company. I am an affiliate with Plusinno now, so I'm excited to be on the team with those guys. So in my links, there'll be affiliate links in there if you want to purchase anything like this. They also have reels, they have nets, they have rods in there also, and their rods are, I believe, extendable rods right now. So if you see my links anywhere, I would appreciate it if you use the links, because it helps the channel. It goes back into making videos and bait making and things like that. So hope you enjoyed the video. It was really easy. You can make it any way you want to do it, you know, set it up the way you want, but I think staggering the reels on each side is probably the way to go for me. It may not work for you. You may want to just put rods up there without the reels on it or whatever. But when I'm working on my boat out here, I like to put my rods up, because leaning them, I've had rods fall over so many times where I've leaned them on chairs or something, and the wind blows and it blows the rods over. And you don't want that. You spend a lot of your hard-earned money on your equipment, and you don't want to be beating it up. So hanging it up here keeps it out of the way of everything. Okay, so that ends the video. I wanted to thank you all again. Thank you for watching. I really do appreciate that. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. And if you are a follower of mine, please, we appreciate you. Please share it out. But go over to my channel, check it out, browse through it. We have something for everybody, we believe. We try to do a little bit of everything here at Off the Hook Outdoors. So I really appreciate each and every one of you stopping into my premiere tonight. Go check out Plusinno. Like I said, I'm an affiliate. All the information will be in the links in my description. So thank you very much. And like I always say, take a kid fishing or hunting. We want to pass that on and preserve the sport for future generations, and we will